One of the biggest fears of being a parent or guardian is not knowing what your kids are doing when you're not around. Same goes for gaming. It's not uncommon for parents or guardians to be wary. Will my kids be safe online? Will the games he plays be appropriate for his age? Will my daughter focus on school if she games? There are so many worries and questions that makes you feel maybe it's easier if you don't allow them to game at all. And that is fair. After all, you are responsible for their well-being. But games are part of childhood, and teaching them how to game responsibly would create a bond of trust between the both of you. With Xbox, that's exactly what you can do. And who knows, you might even get closer along the way. Hey everyone, I'm Deva, a trainer working with Microsoft, and today I'll tell you more about the Xbox Family Settings app. If you're a parent or guardian who's thinking about buying an Xbox for your child, or you already have one, but are worried about how it might affect your child's well-being, then this app is for you. The Xbox Family Settings app allows you to set limits and rules for your child's gaming so you can ensure they have a safe, healthy, and fun time on the Xbox. With the Xbox Family Settings app, you can control the following features for each member of your family group. Social. You can decide who your child can communicate and play with online and block any unwanted contacts or messages. You can also restrict their access to clubs, which are online communities where gamers can chat or share content. Content restriction. You can make sure your child only sees and plays games, movies, TV shows, and music that are appropriate for their age. You can set an age limit based on the ratings from your region and block or approve specific titles that you want to allow or deny. Spending. You can prevent your child from making unauthorized purchases in the Microsoft Store by requiring your approval for any content they want to buy. You can also set a spending limit for your child so they can learn on how to manage their own budget and avoid overspending. Multiplayer. You can enable or disable multiplayer gaming for your child so you can choose whether they can join online games with other players or not. You can also set boundaries for cross-network play, which allows your child to play with people on other platforms such as PC or mobile devices. Activity reports. You can monitor your child's gaming activity and see how much time they spend on each game, app, or website. You can also see their achievements, friends, and recent captures so you can stay updated on their progress and interests. Screen time. You can limit how much time your child can play on Xbox each day and set a schedule for when they can play and when they can't. You can also pause their screen time or give them extra time as a reward or a consequence. Clubs. You can manage your child's access to clubs, which are online communities where gamers can chat and share content. You can block or approve clubs your child wants to join and see what kind of content they are posting or viewing in clubs they are part of. On top of the Xbox Family Settings app, there's also an added layer of protection from Xbox, the Enforcement Strike System. You can help your child follow the Xbox community standards, which are rules and guidelines for respectful and responsible gaming. If your child violates these standards, they may receive an enforcement strike, which can result in a temporary or permanent suspension of their account or features. You can view your child's enforcement history and status and appeal any strike that you think are unfair. This is the same if you encounter someone online who isn't following the Xbox community standards. All you need to do is report them and an investigation would follow through. This is important to make Xbox a safe space for everyone to game and enjoy. The Xbox Family Settings app is easy to use and gives you the flexibility to adjust the settings as you see fit. You can download the app for free on your iOS or Android device and sign in with your Microsoft account. You can then add your child's account to your family group or create one if they don't already have one yet. You can also invite other adults to your family group, such as your partner, grandparents, or caregivers, and give them the ability to manage your settings for your child. The Xbox Family Settings app is a great tool to help you create a balanced and more positive gaming environment for your family. With the app, you can have a peace of mind that your child is playing safely and responsibly on Xbox and enjoy the benefits of gaming together as a family. And there you have it, everything you need to know when it comes to safe gaming on the Xbox. I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and are ready to bond. If you want more information on Xbox Family Safety, you can visit this website. Also, make sure to download the Xbox Gaming Safety Toolkit on the same website to get a more detailed explanation on everything I've mentioned. Finally, remember, trying it out for yourself is the best way to enhance your family's gaming experience, so don't forget to check out the Xbox Family Settings app. Well, that's all for me. This has been Deva from Microsoft, And until next time, happy gaming.